Let me show you how you can use the Digiflex tool to store this information. So first you go to the configuration section and click on the root node, and then under root node define your first node floods, and there would be default attributes for each node ID and name. Then you need to add other attributes like area, city, and then you can save the information. So this node has been created and it has two attributes. So under the root node you can see that this child node has been created having the attributes ID, name, and area and city. Now you want to create child node of this flat, so it would be room, and then you can define the room type. Let's say you already saved this node information and you want to edit, then you can click on the edit and you can add additional fields here. So the types could be like bedroom, hall, etc. So you can select drop down here and you can put the different value. On, and then you can update the node information, and inside room you can have the almirahs. And then you can define the attributes width, height, description. And then you can save the information. And inside almirah you can have the locker. And then type of locker, you can keep it as text field, or you can define if you know already know the types of locker. So once you have created the template, then you can start capturing data from instances section. Click on the flat and then enter the name of flat, like flat 1, and the area, like in which area you can keep it like MG Road. City you can put Pune, and you can save the data. So this node has been created. Now you want to define the room inside this flat, then you can click here. Then you will see that room is a child node. You can click on the room and you can add the room number here. So you can put room 1 and you can select hall or bedroom. So you select hall, save the data. Okay, we have defined wrong hierarchy of nodes. Inside the almirah you will be having, okay, you need to add one more child node inside the locker item. So you go to the configuration section, click on the locker and then add items, and then you add the description. And go to the instances section. currently there is no almirah inside the room, you can add almirah 1. Width you can put anything like 2 feet or something. And you want to put the description, then you can enter here, otherwise you can keep it blank. And now inside almirah you define the lockers. 1 and type you can like normal or biometric. Inside locker you can put the items. So you put the item 1 like mobile, description it's Micromax. You can save it. So now you want to put some like ring, description gold. It will be displayed here. If you enter more items and there will be more than 5 records, then it will add the pagination option automatically here. Like let me add some more. So now there are more than 5 items, then it will automatically add the pagination option here. So you can go there. If you want to remove particular item from parent node locker, then you can click on the remove. If you want to permanently delete this item, then you can click on the delete. After deleting, like if you click on the child node directly, then you will see all the child nodes together irrespective of the which parent like locker almirah it belongs to. But if you want to see the item on the particular locker, particular almirah, particular room and flat, then you have to go from parent node. So if you are if you permanently delete here, then even you click on the child node item, then you won't see that item. But if you remove it from here, then you can see that item from directly clicking on that node. Similarly, you can add another flat or another room inside the same flat or another almirah in the same room. So let me add another room, room 2. It can be bedroom. And now you can add details inside this room like almirah 2. And then locker 3. And then you put the items there. Belt, now you want to, after some time you want to get that information, then like you can go in the search section and you put the node name items here, and then you click on the belt. you enter the belt here, then it will show you that where it has been placed: room, flat, room, almirah, and locker and item. But this is just the root node hierarchy, but you don't know which room it has been placed. So you will click on the node instances tree view, then it will take you directly on the item. So it has opened that information like room, it will be inside the room 2, almirah 2, locker 3, and then belt. If you enter the watch 1, then it will open the almirah room 1 and then almirah 1, not the room 2. Okay, you just enter the watch 1 and click on the search, so it will show the node hierarchy, and then you click on the get item. So you will find that information like a room 1, flat 1, room 1, almirah 1, locker 1, and inside that you have that item watch 1. So now you came to know that where it has been placed, then you can directly get that item.